Hello, good morning. On our third day, we're going to a tour. We booked this via Klook para hindi na kami mahirapan what to do, where to ride. We're going to 4 places.
Yehliu, Jiufen, Shifen, and Shifen Waterfalls.
Yeah.
I was smart, okay? I can shout out some. What are
This is a tour guide. First stop, Yehliu
Geopark.
Yehliu Geopark. We have an hour ba?
Yes.
We have an hour to stay here. Take a point. The parking area in the pink bus. This is Sophie, our tour guide. Bilis niya maglakad. This is the Yehliu Geopark. Because it's very hot, so we brought umbrella. Maganda ang view, maganda ang place, but it's really very hot. It's just 10 a.m. So if you have a problem like I do, vertigo and all, not for you. Not for you. An elephant. It's a Wednesday, pero marami pa ring tao because this is a tourist spot. Very important sa kanila itong park na ito, Yehliu Geopark. So we're here.
And we're hot.
And hot. Sobrang init talaga. No crossing. Sophie said it's free time already. We can go around. Be back at 10:45 at the bus. Marami pa doon sa dulo, doon. But we're not going there. We're heading back to the bus station and probably take some photos around the not hot area. So wala pa kaming magandang kuha ni Jan. Pabalik na kami. Ang init! This is the shaded area, so if you don't like the heat of the sun, this is the best place to rest and wait for companions if you have any. And they have here the replicas of the famous structures or stones, like this one, the Queen's Head. This one again, the Queen's Head pa rin yan. For those who has difficulty walking pa, can stay around here. This is Queen's Bookstore, where you can rest for a while. May restroom din ata dito. This is the visitor center. Thank you. There's a coffee shop around here and the souvenir shops where you can buy ref magnet, pasalubong for your loved ones. This is so cute. It's a book and a diary in one. At 150, I'm buying one for Julia. This is our second stop. This is where the bus and the other vehicle stops. The bus is leaving. Gonna go back later. Can I park here? Lanterns there. I'm going to Shifen village. They're gonna set it up for us.
Pitaw na pitaw. Makanta, sorry. Okay, look at me. Bye-bye.
Takas muna sa group kasi hindi pa naman sila tapos magpalipad ng kanilang mga lanterns. We'll be doing a quick walking tour of this area. Medyo konti pa tong taong to kasi it's a Wednesday. We go here on a weekend. Ito yung famous chicken nila. Chicken wings. Yan, may rice, oh. Sarap daw to, sabi nila. There's a souvenir shop here. Hello! I'm just gonna look around for some stuff. Magandang pumunta rito habang busy pa yung mga kasamahan nyo. Pasok kayo dito. Very nice. Share! This shop is sobrang mura dito. The train is coming! The train is coming. Tabi muna lahat. Tabi muna lahat ng tao. Mabilis lang. Buy a little of this and that. Magla-lantern. Okay na. So, off to our next destination. Ito na kaagad yung pink bus namin, no? Ayan na kaagad siya. Very, very quick tour to this place. Next stop, Shifen Waterfalls. This is the start. One way in, one way out. What is this? Ayun, lanang araw. Pwede nang patayin ang payong.
There has a special just a triangle foundation right there. Now the zoning over the way only can see in
9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Anong oras pabalik sa
female. And then the boy like to play the ball. Very good.
The boy always play.
Yeah,
the mommy takes care of everything.
Left hand side right here. So the number 4 observation deck right there is going down. Okay, you can have it. You can see the.
We were given the options. If we want the easy trek, sa baba. If you want the peak where you can see a better view, dito daw. Pero we really have to walk so fast kasi bus at 1:40 leaves. Bawal maliit. Go ahead. So, for those people with more energy, can go up there and see the beautiful spot there. Let's go! Mabilis lang talaga siya. So we have enough time. Magkakape muna kami or tea for this trip. Come on.
ice cream.
Or ice cream maybe, yeah. And that is why we like the DIYing, because this kind of trips, pagod ka talaga. No time to breathe.
Oo.
Laging nagmamadali.
Oo. Galing ni Coach Sophie.
Oo. You only have 40 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
You have to return agad.
Let's go, 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 go!
Parang, you know, hindi mo ma-enjoy yung ganda ng lugar. Because you're always in a hurry, trying to have a nice photo, but you can't actually. This is our last stop. We'll be spending 2 hours here. So, siguro mas malaki to. Kaya 2 hours yung binibigay sa amin na time. And dito na rin siguro magla-lunch. Kaya, let's go. This is the Jiufen mountain. Kaya malamig. Nasa taas na naman tayo. So cold now. Hey, behind us, sobrang daming tao. 7-Eleven. This is the part where you can buy a lot of things, eat a lot of food. Ayan o. Delicacies. I am for this food. Sobrang sarap. Very cute. This is the best part when you stay with the tour guide. Oh, the tasting of the tea.
And it can reduce your body stress.
This is 40 here. Favorite namin to dito. So, kain-kain. Pareho namin nagustuhan to ni Jan. Dito, mabubusog ka kasi maraming taste test. Pero, bibili ka pa rin, syempre. Squid?
Yeah.
Can I try? Maraming taste test. Stinky tofu. Hawig siya ni Hugo. At this point, busog na ako, kakapa-taste test nila.
Behind me is the house that they featured, or Hayao Miyazaki got the inspiration from for the movie Spirited Away. This one.
Meron dyan. Oh, cute to ah. Labas na siya doon. Ah, okay. Ito yung hanggang... Okay. Ah, okay. Ah. Ganda.
Oh, sinong makakaano na?
Pumasok kami dun sa butas na yon. We do not know what's inside there. Pero dito kami nalabas. This is a great view. Walang mga tao. Tahimik. That's the actual Spirited Away mountainous side of Taiwan.
This is something we discovered. A secret path. Nobody seems to be going.
Secret path. Dad, wait. Wait, Dad, wait. And we're here. Harap. Bye. Okay. The view from the Spirited Away. My husband. Spirited Away.
That one is the Yehliu Geopark. We'll tell you what it's a Keelung story. The Keelung night market, the story maybe.
We are done for the Jiufen tour. 2 hours is not enough. So if you're a fan of Spirited Away, I suggest you go directly to that place. Don't go to the food stalls and the souvenir shops because it's gonna really take a lot of your time. Especially there's a lot of people there. So, mali kami doon. We should have gone straight there. O, wag nyo na kaming gayahin, ha? Dami namang pagkain sa baba. So, just go straight there so you can enjoy the view. Maybe have some tea there in that coffee shop.
Just enjoy it.
Yes.
And it's in a little tip, before you get to the tea house, there's like a tunnel that you can go inside of. And you're gonna come out the other side with a great view of the mountain and the sea view.
Kaya for more of anything happy at ang pagpunta sa Taiwan at this trip, please do visit the vlog
www.vacationsofjoy.com.
See you there, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy life, be kind, be good. Isa lang yan, i-enjoy nyo. Sabi nga sa kanta, explore the world in your time. Create memories that you won't regret. You only live once. So don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Yan. Ang tawag po dyan ay
The Joy Song.
No, not the Joy Song here. That in TikTok and Reels. Ang tawag po dyan ay
The Joy Song.
No. Ang tawag po dyan ay
The Joy Song.
Frustrated singer. Ay, tulog na mga kasama namin. Bawal na mag-ingay. This is Sophie, our very matyaga na tour guide. Happy to be here in your group. Thank you so much. You walk so fast. I cannot keep up. We're happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wave, wave.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.